How to schedule Instagram posts. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to schedule your Instagram posts. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Instagram, and if you are a creator or influencer and you're quite busy and we actually want to sometimes schedule our posts beforehand. So how to do that? First, you will have to download an application. So you'll download Buffer. It's available on iOS and Android. Buffer is a social media manager. So I'm going to go ahead and just sign up. So you just have to sign up for Buffer, enter your email address. So once you sign in or initially sign up, this is where you will get on Buffer. And now we just have to connect our Instagram to Buffer, and then we will be able to schedule posts, videos, reels, whatever we want to do. And then we also get a lot of different tools. So to add a new channel, you can just click on these three lines, and I'm going to go to new channel. You can see Instagram business. So I'm going to select that. We also have other options as well. So if you connect with Facebook, you connect with Instagram as well. So I have connected right here. Now to schedule a post, what I can do is I can go to the calendar, and you can see these are our dates, and I can just select one date, and then I can just select the time and click right here. And now I can create a post. So I can add my video as an attachment, my picture. I can also create ads and campaigns from my phone using Buffer. And I can also add a post saying whatever I want. There you go. Once you have added your post, you just click on next, and then we can schedule the draft, save as a draft. So I'm going to click on schedule, and we're going to select this date, set a time. So I want to post at 5 p.m. And now I have scheduled a post on Instagram. This is how you can also go ahead and schedule your post on Instagram and get more productive. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.